How to transfer money from TD Bank to Cash App. First, open up Cash App on your mobile device. From the home screen, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, which will take you to another screen. Scroll down and tap on Linked Banks. Once on this screen, tap on Link Debit Card. It will ask for your debit card details, but instead, tap on the No Card option and then tap Continue at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the list until you find your bank, or if you don't see TD Bank, search for it manually in the search bar. You will then be prompted to authenticate your TD Bank account. Simply tap Continue and log in to your TD Bank account as usual. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your account. Once it's linked, head back to the Cash App home screen. Tap on the bank icon in the bottom left corner, which will take you to the next screen. Tap on Add Cash, and a pop-up will appear. You can either select an amount or tap on the three-dot icon to enter your desired amount, then hit Add Cash at the bottom. Enter your Cash App PIN to confirm, and you're done. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.